Hey there guys, here we are looking at quadratic sequences, GCSE Maths past paper exam questions. These are higher only. Let's do it. Given first up, the nth term of a sequence is n times n minus 4 over root n add 3. Work out the sum of the first and sixth terms. So sum means to add together. So for the first term, n is equal to 1. So that's going to give us 1 times 1 minus 4. So that's minus 3 over the square root of 1 add 3. So the square root of 4 is 2. So we get minus 3 halves. When n is 6, we are going to get 6 times 6 minus 4. So that's 6 times 2, which is 12. Over the square root of 9, so that's 3. So that gives us 4. So the sum is then minus 3 halves, or minus 1.5, add 4, which gives us 2.5. Key number 2, we have the first 6 terms of a quadratic sequence and want to work out the nth term. So let's write it down below. Okay, so the first thing we need are the first differences. So minus 1 to 5 is 6. 5 to 15 is 10. 15 to 29 is 14. 3 of them will do. Okay, now we find the second differences. So 6 to 10 is 4. 10 to 14 is 4. Now we halve the second difference to get the number of n squareds in the sequence. So half of 4 is 2. So the quadratic part is 2n squared. Okay, so now we write down the first few terms of 2n squared. So that's 2 times the square numbers. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 16, 32. That will do. Okay, so now what we do, we take the quadratic part out of the whole sequence to get the linear part. So we are now doing minus 1 minus 2. So that's going to give us minus 3. And then we're doing 5 minus 8, which is minus 3. Which may seem a bit odd. Let's do one more. 15 minus 18, again, gives us minus 3. So the linear part isn't really a sequence, it's just minus 3. So the nth term altogether is 2n squared minus 3. Okay, next up, quite a tricky one, also involving simultaneous equations, so I will put my simultaneous equations exam playlist down below in the description. So, the nth term of a sequence is an squared add bn, where a and b are integers. The second term is minus 2. The fourth term is 12. Find the sixth term. Alright, so what we're going to do is plonk in n equals 2 and n equals 4. See what we get in terms of a and b. We will then have two simultaneous equations to solve for a and b. So, when n is 2, we are going to get 4a add 2b. Now we know that that is equal to minus 2. Now that has a common factor of 2, so we can divide that away, and that will give us 2a add b is equal to minus 1. Okay, then we're going to do the same for the fourth term. So when n is 4, we are going to get 16a add 4b, and that is equal to 12. Now again, that has a common factor, this time it's 4. So if we divide through by 4, we are going to get 4a add b is equal to 3. So we now have two equations in terms of a and b. So we can now find the values of a and b. So let's call the top 1 and the bottom 2. Now both of them have a single b in them. So we're going to get rid of b. Now the way I'm going to do that is by doing 2 take 1. So 4a take 2a is 2a. b take b is 0. And 3 minus 1 is 4. So a is equal to 2. Now let's find b. So we're going to put a into the second equation. So 4 times 2 is 8. Add b is equal to 3. So take away the 8, we get b is minus 5. Okay, so what we now know is 2n squared minus 5n. Now we want the sixth term, so when n is 6, we are going to get 2 times 6 squared, which is 72, minus 5 times 6, which is 30, and that gives us 42. Okay, then for part B, we want to find the nth term of this bad boy. So, find the first differences. So 0 to 2 is 2, 2 to 6 is 4, 6 to 12 is 6. That'll do. Find second differences. So 2 to 4 is 2, 4 to 6 is 2. Half that to get the number of n squareds. So half of 2 is 1. So the quadratic part is n squared, which is just our square numbers. So 1, 4, 9, 16, blah blah blah. Take that out to get the linear part. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 6 minus 9 is minus 3. And 12 minus 16 is minus 4. So this is actually just minus n. First term minus 1, second term minus 2, etc. So the whole nth term is just n squared minus n. Okay, one more then. Finding the nth term of this chap. So, find the first differences. So 4 to 11 is 7, 11 to 22 is 11, 22 to 37 is 15. That will do. Find the second differences. 7 to 11 is 4, 11 to 15 is also 4. Good times. Half that for the number of n squared. So the quadratic part is 2n squared, which is 2 times our square numbers. So 2, 8, 18, 32, blah blah blah. So we take the quadratic part out of the whole sequence to get the linear part. So 4 take 2 is 2. 11 take 8 is 3. 22 take 18 is 4. 37 take 32 is 5. So now we just need the nth term of this part. So we're going up in ones. That tells us it's something to do with 1n. Now remember, n is just the term number. So for the first term, n is 1. But our first term is 2. so we need to add 1. So the nth term altogether is 2n squared. Add n, add 1. Boom. Okay then guys, that's it for this one. Hope you found it helpful. For now, take it easy, take care.